Birds actually like sit on my hand and everything because they love me.
Birds love her so much.
Yeah. I'm just like, and the seagulls. Yes. And then the geese are like, ha, 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 ha. And then they start coming towards me. And then the seagulls are like, and then they start coming towards me. And I'm like, oh, I feel so seen.
I get it. If I was a bird, I would also sit on you.
What does that mean?
If I was a bird, I would come over and sit on you.
Well, I would drop you.